My Trunk Club box is here. Stick around and I'll show you guys what I got. So the cool thing about Trunk Club is that they send you actually a preview list to look at and approve a few days before they ship out your order. The only problem, and like this month, I've already forgotten what she picked for me and what I approved. I think there was some shirts in there, some blouses that I was looking for, but beyond that, I really can't remember. It's been a busy month. So I'm kind of, this box is actually going to be like other boxes where I don't actually know or remember what's in it. So that's kind of exciting. But the thing about Trunk Club too is that these items come from Nordstrom's. It's a Nordstrom company, and these are always good quality items, a little pricey sometimes, so I'm curious what's in here. Okay, let's see what's in here. It's kind of a smaller box this time, so I don't think there's going to be any, shoes or boots, and it's just not wanting to open. There we go. Okay, so like I said, I kind of forgetting what I asked for, but oh my gosh, there are shoes in here. It's packed very neatly. I don't do that well at packing. All right, so we got one pair of shoes. Actually, two pairs of shoes that have come in this box, Michael Kors. And then I've got my little bundle. So not a lot of clothes this time, actually. It's not that many items. And then, as you guys probably know, they started putting everything in packaging. So I'm going to take a minute, get everything unpackaged, and then I'll show you all the items that came this month. Okay, first item I got was these cute little, I think they're blush suede shoes, flats, and they've got the cute little detailing on the top. These are cute. I don't mind these at all. They're called downstage pointy toe flats, and they're coming in at $99.95. So a bit spendy for flats. And I guess there's a suede to them, and they've got kind of a sparkle to them as well. They're cute. I normally would never pay $100 for a pair of flats. I normally watch for these kind of shoe style to go on sale at DSW, so I'm not sure I'm going to be willing to spend $100 on a pair. Okay, she sent another pair of black flats, and these are Michael Kors. They are called Gia's Ballet Flat. They're cute. They've got little detailing, bow, and then the little MK design on these little pearl beads. They're cute. These, again, are basically the same price, $98.95. So, again, not sure I'd pay $100 for flats. Just when I know I could do I'm a little more willing to go shopping for shoes for some reason than I am clothes. So these, I feel like I could find something similar for much cheaper at my local DSW or local shoe store, so I'm not sure, but we'll try them on and see how they look. Okay, and now into the shirts that I had requested. I remember I'd asked for a tank top, just a black tank top, because I have somehow in this house misplaced two of my black tank tops. I swear they get lost in the shuffle of doing laundry with the 5 of us here, and they're in somebody else's room. I know it because I cannot find it in my closet or in any of my drawers, so somebody has it. I know they just didn't disappear. So anyways, I'd asked for a black tank top and she delivered. I appreciate that. This is Nick and Zoe, and this is $48. And it's a little shorter than at least visually, but you don't know until you try it on. But it's just a good cotton, probably spandex, I bet, a mix. And yeah, I needed this, and so I'm looking forward to trying that on. Okay, then we've got this blouse. This is from Lush. It's coming in at $39. And let's see if I can show it to you guys. It's got this kind of V-neck. And then it's got the arm sleeves that have kind of the button up that kind of pulls them up a little bit. It's in this kind of blush tone. Material doesn't look bad. The style doesn't look bad. It looks comfy. I just don't know if I love the color and if it would make me look washed out. I'll try it on, see if I like it, but first glance, I'm not loving the color. Okay, next item is Lucky Brand. This is a a blouse that's got these kind of cool sleeves with the ruffles at the end, so kind of a 3/4 sleeve. Got the buttons up the neck line, but it's got an open neckline, which I like, and I always complain about when things are too tight around my neck, so I appreciate the stylist listening to me. This is Lucky brand, I think I mentioned, and coming at $59.50, and it's kind of got this little tassel at the bottom with a little bit of this detail around the waist. So cotton material, you know, it looks cute. I could see it with some jeans, some blue jeans or black, you know, even, and even maybe paired with those little black shoes. But overall, you know, I'll be excited to see how it fits on. Okay, then we've got, I do remember this in the preview now. This was, I like the design on it, and it's a black blouse that's got this kind of detail at the bottom too. I'm kind of digging these ruffles. And then it's got, I think, a tie around the waist, I believe. I'm gonna have to mess with it and try it on. This is Chelsea brand, Chelsea 28, and I've never heard of them, but let's see, I don't know if I have a price. So Chelsea, this was $79. So this I remember seeing, and now in person I'm pleasantly surprised with it. So I'm kind of hoping it fits nice, and I'm liking the ruffles at the bottom, and it's got the same on the wrists. So it's cute. I like it. Okay, and then last of the shirts, she got me just a plain black J. Crew V-neck tee. Again, I need these because the few that I have a few, I think they were Victoria's Secrets, and I don't even think they make them anymore, V-necks or, you know, scoop necks, just the plain tees. I love them, but I've worn them for years now, and I really don't like wearing them out anymore. So this would be a great addition, and this is coming in at $29, and again, it's J. Crew. And last in my box, I forgot, she did put in a pair of pants. These are called Halogen's front pleat ankle pant, and they are $69. So these are kind of, to me, they appear to be kind of a transition into spring because they are, you know, tapered to the ankle and going to be a little shorter, not full down to your foot by any means. But, you know, another pair of black slacks, you can't go wrong. And the quality of these look really good. I mean, very well made, good material, very good pleating. So if they fit well and they, you know, flatter my body style, I'll definitely consider keeping them. So that was my box for February from Trunk Club. You know, I always enjoy getting my Trunk Club box, even though I do get that preview like this month. I totally forgot what was in it. So, you know, make sure to comment down below and let me know your thoughts on any of the items I got today. If you've had, you know, have any of these items, if you have any thoughts about them, definitely look forward to hearing any comments you might have. And then always, as always, you know, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll continue to make more and more videos of the different subscriptions that I have, hauls and reviews that we do. So, you know, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.